Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so I'm in the car. We are going to go shopping today in Tesco. I'm actually at Tesco already, but I'm in the car, so I'm going to come out of the car. Let's go shopping. I'm not buying a lot of things anyway. Yeah, I don't have money to blow today guys, so let's go shopping in Tesco. Okay, I'm vlogging with my camera, so I might not be able to vlog much. You know, people are very shy of camera, and it's summer now. It's very hot. Can you guys see the weather? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, you guys can see I'm in Tesco SOPHIA'S. Okay, well, I don't live in Soriki, but I like coming here because it's Tesco Extra. Can you guys see that it's the big Tesco? So this is Tesco Extra. I'm just zooming it in so you guys can see. So I'm going to go into the shopping center now. There might be copyright there. Okay guys, so let's go. So there might be copyright, so I might not be able to talk. Just checking to make sure I lock my car, so I might not be able to talk, but let me turn the camera around so you guys can see my face. Okay, I'm over here. I'm trying to flip the camera thing. So I need to go and get a trolley guys. The weather is wonderful. Look at that beautiful weather. Beautiful weather. Yeah. Okay, see, it's summer. It's beautiful. I'm just going to get a trolley and then we'll go inside the shopping center. Okay guys. I'm going to get a bigger trolley. Okay guys, so I'm inside Tesco right now. Copyright music will not allow me shine. Oh my god, that's one problem of doing shop with me videos. Copyright music every time. But I'm inside Tesco now. I always like going to the kitchen homeware section guys. They always have beautiful items. Yeah, so enjoy watching. You might hear my voice again, you might not. Okay guys, but enjoy this video and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check my website. SOPHIA'S Fab is always on the description box at the bottom of this video. Okay guys, so enjoy. See, they have beautiful items in their home section. I always love this section. Every time I always check this section. Okay guys, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so over here I was trying to look for a printing paper, and you will see just a minute that I find the printing paper. I was still thinking the printing paper was £2.98. Oh my god, I was amazed to find that the printing paper is now £4. This is the printing paper I used to buy, £2.98. In fact, it was £2.95, then it went to £2.98. The printing paper now is now £4 for one, guys. £4. Well, I suppose it's still a little cheaper compared to some other stores, compared to Amazon.
Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams skies are so clear with you. I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one.
Okay guys, so this is me done shopping. I was just queuing. There was so much queue on this particular day. Yeah guys, peace. Yeah, so I'm just tired. I was because I've already gone to other shops to go and shop, so I was just waiting for my turn. The queue was so much. Yeah. Okay guys, so hope you guys enjoy watching this shop with me, Tesco. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Okay guys. My face done. Done. I'm going home now. My trolley is here. It's gone darker here. The weather is fantastic. Fantastic weather. Tomorrow is even going to be much warmer than today. So I'm done now. I am done. I'm going home. Let me take a picture in this beautiful parade. Okay guys, so I finished shopping. I hope you guys enjoy shopping with me. I know I'm ending the vlog in the car. I started the vlog in the car. I'm ending it in the car because I don't want to forget when I get home. I have a lot of things to do when I get home, guys. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and I'll catch you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.